Hello, we are at 470 Frederick, apartment 3. This is Frederick at Stanyan in Coal Valley. One bedroom unit with hardwood floors. Here we are looking at the living room window. The unit is small, okay, but it is in a fantastic location. And if you don't need a lot of space and want to be in a great building, in a wonderful neighborhood, this could work for you. There is some outdoor space, a bike rack, a little bit of exterior storage, shared coin-operated laundry, and a parking space with this unit. And the rent includes water, garbage, and heat. Okay. So here we are looking back at the living room, and then coming into the bedroom. You could fit a twin or full-size bed here in the bedroom. There are some built-in drawers. There's the closet. Oh, and there was a built-in bookcase there in the living room. Okay, bathroom. 3/4 bathroom, meaning there is a shower only, no tub. So you come up a set of stairs. There's the bathroom sink and the shower and an exhaust fan. Narrow. There's some shelves here along the stairs. So we do want you to come see the unit in person before you turn in an application. All right. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you will come take a look. Thank you.